And this is my agent-based modeling of COVID-19 virus transmission using Netlogo. I'll start in the code. As you can see, it's all very well laid out, loads of comments on. It's really easy for anybody looking at this to follow it and understand what's going on, all the way from the recovery to vaccination, the spread, and the recolouring of the agents. I also have an information panel which basically describes everything and how it works on it. It's all very easy to follow. On the interface for the inputs, we have the vaccination deployment. This has 4 levels, starting at 0, which is herd immunity. It goes up to low, medium and high levels of vaccination. The contact tracing I'll show in a minute. There's a start and stop button, the setup, which primes the actual project for each test. There's a recovery probability, which I'll leave at 0.96. The death probability slider, which is at 0.09. The number of people will be set at 1000. For the outputs, there's a viral spread, which you'll see with the virus, the immune and the dead. You'll be able to see on a chart. The days shows the number of days that have passed since the start of the test. The infected, the number of people currently infected. There's always one that's infected on each test. The number of people dead, the people alive at the end of the test, and the number immune. For the colour codes of the agents, red is a virus, blue is default. If they get vaccinated, they'll be green, and after a day the green will become yellow, which is the immune, and there will be people who survive the virus and become immune anyway. So I'll set it away with herd immunity. Actually, I've got the contact tracing on, so to show you this, the contact tracing will leave a little line between each agent when an agent interacts with another agent and infects them. So as this goes on, you'll get more and more lines, but you can inspect each agent and see them as from who they've been. You can see by the line who they've been infected by, who they're infecting. Some will turn yellow as time goes by. I'll just speed that up a bit, and because they've survived the infection. Eventually it becomes a real mesh, but you can still follow it. So for the herd immunity, I'll set it up again. For the herd immunity, we've got, and I'll set it away, and you can see here all the outputs. There's 382 dead there. If I put it to stage 1 of the vaccination deployment, slightly lower. If I put it on stage 2, lower again. If I put it on stage 3, I'll just slow it down a tiny bit. And you can see them interacting there, and the green people becoming vaccinated. It should be finished in a moment, and then we go on less people dead again. So it works as it should, and you can see all the outputs and all the inputs. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Thank you.